Beautiful Pikes Peak International Raceway, one of my favorite tracks, and it's only like 15 minutes from the crib. So got the car unloaded. I parked way far from everybody else, probably because I'm a loner, but I know that my kids will come here later, so kind of give them some privacy away from like all the chaos that happens in the pits. Got the truck all unloaded. My buddy Lebo, as always, man, when he wraps this thing, it's gonna look so good. But it's pure stage 2 turbos, full E85, a whole bunch of other stuff, port injection I think, and it rips. But yeah, just gonna let the car warm up. He's testing out the BMX bike right now. Probably do a driver's meeting, and then for today it doesn't look too busy, so I'm just gonna focus on every single lap and just work on like seat time, and then like getting more comfortable with the car and the track. I know it's probably boring watching the same old clips over and over again at the same track, but this time I'm gonna try to like do a lap, think about what I can do better, and then the next lap try it. So we'll see, and then hopefully I can get some tandems with the boys. Figure we do the parade lap in style today. 600 horsepower 5 Series with the car seats. We definitely won't be coming close to this wall like last time. God damn, there's like no grip there too. You see the track kind of ends like right there. But this is my favorite section. It's hard because I start the track in third, and like, I don't know if it's my gearbox or what, but it won't let me go back into second. And this tighter section, I definitely need to be in second, but we'll see how it goes. Thanks for the Uber. Alright, so we just got done with the first couple laps, letting the tires cool down. I don't know if you guys heard it in the GoPro, but it started to act super weird. Still misfiring in injector 3. My buddy Fernando just took out the air compressor and sprayed some in there. I'm pretty confident that it's oil in like where the plug goes, but we'll see. Just kind of taking today slow because it's pretty chill. Nothing crazy going on, and yep, we'll be back. Alright, so this is the tire from the other side. The tire on the passenger side looks like this. It'd be like this on the car. So I'm getting a lot of camber wear. So I figure I just adjust the camber arm ever so slightly to give me a little bit of positive camber, and then I'm gonna flop the wheels and we'll see how the tire wear is. Alright, I just let my buddy Fernando hop in the car. He's about to do some donuts. I hope he doesn't crash it. Fernando, if you're watching this video, which you will, that's 20 bucks for tires, motherfucker. Yo, it sounds good on the outside. That boy said, I'm gonna do a quick burnout. God dang!
Now that's how you make some smoke.
Yo, you killed it! Yo, I think we got Lilo hooked, man. That was pretty good. All right, so we just went out again. I kind of took it easy. Second gear, hands were smooth, just kind of working on my handwork, but check out that tire wear. That is ideal. So the positive camber that I added definitely helped out, but Fernando didn't help when he did those donuts. I think I'm gonna stop by the checkered flag over there at the finish line and get some B-roll. Be a dope scenery, but this tire's not wearing as much. But they're about to close the track for lunch, so. Alright, so during the break, they said all broken cars go on track. And it happened to be all BMWs. I'm just kidding, but that's a pretty cool picture. Of course, the E90's up front. Alright, so some of the boys did a little side quest because this just looks so sick in front of the grandstands. Like, imagine in the 90s, like packed out house and NASCAR just all over the place, but looks pretty sick, and especially Simon 7 Series right in the middle. Shoo. Towards the wall, and I didn't have grip. I felt it. I was like, yeah, right, so we just got done with the burners. These tires are from 2016, and I got them for free with the wheels, so kind of cut them out. Honestly, not bad for line hards from 2016. Put a fresh pair of Kendas on, about to check PSI, and then
Serpentine broke.
look at that.
Go
out,
James.
get some more laps. You ready, baby? All right, it's about the end of the day. Kind of riding solo right now, so gonna do a few more laps and then start loading up the trailer. What's up, guys? I just got done editing that video. I forgot to film an ender. I did pretty poorly filming the entire day, but towards about halfway through the day I started not to feel good, and then I was sick all day Sunday and pretty much today, Monday. But I just wanted to recap. So the car was misfiring throughout the day. Basically injector 3, I just kept on getting codes for it, and I want to believe that it's just for me. When I topped it off with oil without a funnel, I had spilt a lot of oil, and maybe oil was like on top of that sensor, so the car was just acting kind of weird for the majority of the day, like I would say every other fourth lap. So I got to diagnose that, but I will be going out of town soon, so we'll save that for a later day. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Unfortunately, I didn't get any tandems with the boys, but I did take it easier. It was like an open drift type of day, and each lap you can see me like progress. So I will get better at changing the camera angles. The first clip I had it on my helmet, and then the little helmet piece like flew off, so I ended up going back to like the GoPro clip on the chair. But other than that, I was kind of battling with that issue and a whole bunch of other things, and then not feeling well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, and this is the first video. We just hit 1,000 subscribers, so I appreciate you guys, and stay tuned for more. I got some exciting news. A company just hopped on board to support the channel, so that'll be the next video. So catch you guys next time. Peace.